Hello, my lads. My name is Godfar Ironbeard, and welcome my dwarven kitchen. Wait a moment. What is going on? What's happening to me? Huh? I became blocky and retro? Nice. It seems I've been transported to the realm of Amberland. As you see, this episode is streaming directly from the realm of Amberland. Let's gather a party and look for local recipes and craft beer. What have we got here? Where do they sell beer here? Hey, yeah, are you a beer? And yeah, you know where the beer is? Let's see what kind of food they have here. This is the worst tavern ever. It seems that the only thing they are eating here are apples and hunches. So I guess the only Amberland recipe is apples with hunches. Let's see what we can do. I start by defeating a battalion of savage garlic. Godfar 1, garlic 0. I add a tablespoon of mustard to the crushed garlic. I pour some oil. I add honey. And finally, I add herbs. This nasty substance is used to torture captives, but today we use it as a chicken marinade. I put chicken legs in the marinade. I carefully spread the ingredients. I have to ignore the pleas for mercy. The meat has to get the perfect taste. Now let it rest for at least half an hour, or an hour, or even whole day if you have enough beer. Now it's marinating and it's time for dwarf. See ya in few minutes or days. Before you start baking, spread the oil on the oven pan. Then grab a knife and execute apple rebels or criminals. Alright, they may be innocent. The important thing is that they're sweet and juicy. Put the chopped apples in layers, just like bodies of goblins in mass grave. Don't let them rest in peace alone. Add some onions and put the chicken legs on top. Before you put it in the oven, sprinkle it with herbs and spices. Finally, add hot red paprika, which will boost your level. Now it's time to heat up the oven. Make it hot like a forge and roast for an hour. And that's all. Now you can admire your work. Don't forget to subscribe to Dwarven Kitchen. If you want to help develop this channel, share this video. Write in comments what you liked about this video and what recipe you would like to see in the future.